Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, let me introduce my team. I am Anita Setiawati Srigunarti as a presenter, and there are Sri Nuryati, Elma Julius, Nini Pariyati, and Eko Dharma as contributor. Today, the topic of our presentation is bearing capacity of subgrade soil treated with cement and marble powder. We are from Department of Civil Engineering, Universitas Islam 45, Bekasi, Indonesia. Okay, let's move on to the second slide presentation. Apart from being a waste management, the use of marble powder aims to increase the carrying capacity of the soil and reduce the amount of cement consumption in the lower foundation of the pavement structure that use cement as a highway subgrade. This research conducted a laboratory experiment with chemical stabilization method. The additives used are 4% cement and marble powder with levels of 5.5%, 8.5%, and 11.5% of the dry weight of the soil. Mechanical testing in the form of the California bearing ratio test in the unsoaked condition. The highest value of CBR was found in the soil treated with 4% cement and 11.5% marble powder, which was 7.66% at 2.5 millimeter penetration. This means that there is a significant increase in the CBR value, which is equal to 65.90% of the original CBR value. Okay, the carrying capacity of the soil doesn't meet the requirement as a highway subgrade, so soil improvement must be carried out. One of the effective and easy improvements to subgrade soil is chemical stabilization by mixing certain additives, and then a chemical process occurs so that it can improve its bearing capacity. Cement has good properties for chemical stabilization as an improvement in soil bearing capacity. Okay, marble powder waste needs to be managed as an additive because it has chemical elements similar to cement. This one is the method. The method is laboratory experiments. The first step is preparation of materials like clay or soil, Portland cement, waste marble powder. The next step is liquid limit test. Preparation of result tools like liquid limit test, plastic limit test, specific gravity test, standard compaction, and CBR test. Next step is preparation of original soil samples and preparation of soil samples mixed with cement, 4% and marble powder, 4.5%, 8.5%, and 11.5%. Then sample that has been mixed with additives, then left for 7 days at room temperatures. The next step is physical testing, like specific gravity and plasticity index. The next step is mechanical testing, like compaction and CBR unsoaked condition. Finally, we have analysis of the result and conclusion. This slide shows the code variation of soil mix. TA means original soil. TS4 means soil mixed with 4% cement. TM 5.5 means soil mixed with 5.5% marble powder. TM 8.5 means soil mixed with 8.5% marble powder. TS4 M 5.5 means soil mixed with 40% cement and 5.5% marble powder, etc. We can see in this slide. Okay, next slide. This one is original soil characteristic. Original soil have a specific gravity value. We can see at this slide. Index of plasticity is 28.9 and CBR 2.5 millimeter penetration is 4.83 and CBR 5 millimeter penetration is 4.82%. Okay, this one is table of test result, physical and mechanical soil stabilization. This slide shows additive material composition, cement, marble powder, specific gravity result, Atterberg limit test result, compaction result, and CBR. And we can see the value of CBR. This slide shows a CBR value graph. It was found that the highest CBR value was found in the variant TS4 M11.5. It's about 7.99%. Okay, the CBR value was developed to measure the bearing capacity, soil load and pavement load. Barnas said the CBR value in the 5 millimeter penetration original soil variation is 4.82%. In the root subgrade criteria, it is considered a bad material because under 5%. The soil stabilized with marble powder without cement experienced a slight increase in CBR value from the original soil CBR value. This is in accordance with the research of Sationo and Haryanto. The increase in CBR value occurred due to the cementation process due to the addition of marble powder levels. Although slightly increased from the original soil, the CBR value found in marble powder without cement is still below the road subgrade requirement under 5%. Which means that the stabilized soil is not suitable for use as a road subgrade. Okay, meanwhile, the soil stabilized with cement and marble powder experienced a significant increase in the CBR value of the original soil CBR value. The CBR value in cement soil continues to increase with increasing levels of marble powder applied. There was an increase in the CBR value of 46.62% to the original soil in the TS4 variation. Okay. The increase in CBR value in cement soil and marble powder is due to the flocculation of clay particle with cement, while the presence of marble is sufficient to assist cation exchange, pozzolanic reaction, and flocculation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that is my presentation today. But before I close this presentation, let me to give the conclusion. The conclusion is use of marble powder and cement waste as use of marble powder waste and cement as soil stabilization material was found to increase the CBR value by 65.90% to the CBR value of the original soil so that it meet the minimum CBR requirement for highway subgrades. It is necessary to conduct microstructural and chemical analysis research to see change in the structure and texture of stabilizing soil so that it can support the result of this study. This one is reference. Okay, thank you all for listening our presentation today, and thank you for nice attention. Does anyone have any question? This is my email. Okay. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.